Hello, I'm going to show you a quick face on using our translucent powders. I start with a medium translucent powder, and also just letting you know these translucent powders are amazing. They absorb oil and sweat throughout the entire day. Now I'm just dabbing on the medium. I know it's dark, but trust the process. So next I use a fluffy brush and I actually blend in the medium powder because it gives me a little more coverage than just light, because I do like a coverage. Next I take light translucent powder, and this I will apply all over to lighten up the medium. Sorry y'all, I had to take the cap off because I'm running low, because I use this powder every day. It gives me also a matte finish as well. Make sure you go down your neck as well, so that way you don't have two-toned. Next, I am going to do a little contouring, and I use an angle brush, and I contour on my cheeks and my nose and on my forehead. I'm using Bronze Dust translucent powder for this. Up, and I also put a little bit underneath my lip. And under my chin as well. Next, I'm going to use a round brush and use Peach Flush as my blush, and I stipple it on my cheeks right above my contour. You're cold?
Yes.
Okay. I also come up with the blush and tap it all over on the top of my forehead as well, and the tip of my nose and my chin.
Mommy.
Next, I'm using our translucent powder, which is a white powder. It's a setting powder, and I use this more for highlighting, but I will put it all over, and it kind of brings everything together.
Mommy.
I'll do it under my eyes to brighten under my eyes. Normally I wear the translucent powder. I'll put the translucent powder all over my face if I'm doing using CCTM or foundation. Next, I'm going to take the Bronze Dust, and now I'm going to work my eyes. I use a little rounded brush, and I'm going to do the Bronze Dust on the outer corner of my lids and into my crease. Then I'm going to take a fluffier brush and use the Peach Flush And I'm going to put that in my inner corner of my eyes and along the top of my crease. This gives a peach color. Now we're going to take the translucent powder again, and we're going to put it in the corner of my eyes and just underneath my eyebrows. And under my eyes. This will open up my eyes. And brighten. Next, I'm going to take rose gold shimmer eyeliner and go under on my waterline on the bottom of my eyes, and then I'm going to use it as eyeliner on the top. This just gives it a different look. Next, I'm going to take my mascara, and by the way, for your mascara to glide on smoothly, any mascara, heat it up, warm it up before you use it by putting it in your shirt or sitting on it, or even a warm glass of water. Mascara and liner brings together your eye look. So don't judge your eye look until you've completed putting on mascara and eyeliner. Our mascara has Capixyl in it, which grows your lashes naturally. Next, we're going to put on our lips. Lip scents, you need 3 layers, 3 thin layers. Make sure your lips are dry and clean before applying. I'm doing an ombre look, so I'm outlining my lips with the dark Lip Sense color. Layer 2. And you only need thin layers. If you get thick layers, then it will come off a lot faster, because it's similar to like if you're painting a wall and you get thick layers, it's gonna peel. All right, now I'm taking the lighter color and doing the inside of my lips. Layer 2. And I only did 2 layers of the dark color because I will do 3 layers of the light color. Let's take my hair down so we can get a full ready look. All right, one more layer of the light color all over. This will be our 3rd layer for our lips. Now let it dry and we are going to put on gloss, but you want to make sure your lip sense is completely dry. So I'm just going to fix my hair a little bit, fluff it up, put a bow in it because I love bows. Now I'm using Satin Matte Gloss because I want a matte finish. The gloss seals the lip sense, so now you're ready to go all day.